So just like we built our sidewalls, use the base to align your parts together. Put some pressure down on the 18-inch stud. Your 20-inch here is your top plate. Always make sure that your studs are flush from the sill to the side. Now remember, this is the one where the two studs are really close to each other. Just make sure that they're centered up. Just like last time, start with the ends. Now you've got your back wall. Remember, this goes on the inside, not the outside. Before you nail any of your walls to the base itself, make sure that the walls are square, that they're plumb. Now, the easiest way to do this is with a shoestring. Strap something heavy with a shoestring. Hold the string along the inside edge of the wall and dangle that string. If that heavy object is at the center line of this base, just like it hangs over the center line of the inside edge here, the wall's straight. If it's leaning too far back, the heavy object's going to be towards the back of the wall. If it leans too far forward, that heavy object is going to hang towards the center of the doghouse.